Welcome to English Home, the place where learning English becomes simple, powerful, and part of your daily life.
I'm excited to be here. Today, we're going to uncover why some people become fluent so quickly while others struggle for years.
It's not because they are smarter or went to expensive schools or memorized thousands of grammar rules.
Exactly. The real secret is something much simpler. Daily habits. Small things, repeated every single day, make the difference.
Imagine two friends learning English at the same time. One studies grammar for hours but rarely speaks, while the other practices simple habits, daily speaking a little, listening a little, thinking in English, and making mistakes without fear.
6 months later, the one focused on habits can hold conversations confidently while the other still feels stuck. That's the power of daily habits.
One evening, while having coffee and talking about life, the topic turned to English learning. Someone asked, "Why do some people become fluent so naturally?"
The answer wasn't vocabulary or grammar books. It was all about exposure and consistency. For example, one person changed their phone language to English.
At first, even simple phone settings were confusing, but after a few weeks, the words started feeling familiar without much effort.
That's when they realized fluency isn't just about studying English, but about living with English.
Another habit they talked about was speaking alone in English, describing the day, talking about emotions, or explaining future plans out loud.
It felt awkward at first, but slowly, confidence grew. The real challenge for most learners isn't knowledge, it's fear. Fear of sounding wrong, making mistakes, or being judged.
One of them shared that even ordering food in English used to be stressful. Their heart would beat faster, and words would disappear.
But they made a promise. Every single day, I will speak English for at least 10 minutes. Some days were tough, but after months, speaking felt natural and comfortable.
The conversation moved to another powerful habit, listening to real English every day, like podcasts, movies, interviews, and YouTube videos.
One person laughed, saying they watched English movies with subtitles every night. At first, they understood almost nothing, but over time, phrases became familiar without translation.
Most people try to learn difficult English first, complex vocabulary, perfect grammar, advanced expressions.
But fluent speakers often use simple English beautifully. The real goal is to sound confident, calm, and natural, not like a dictionary.
Learning English is not only about language. Sometimes it's about dreams, a better career, studying abroad, meeting new people, or building confidence.
Small daily habits can open doors you never imagined. If you want to become fluent, focus on consistency, not perfection.
Speak a little every day. Listen every day. Think in English. Make mistakes proudly. Progress may feel slow, but one day you'll see how far you've come.
Thank you for joining English Home. Subscribe for more powerful English conversations and daily learning content. Share this with friends and family, and keep learning and growing with us.